I wake up whenever I hear him. After working together for the last 2 years, I know he's excited to spend the next 14 hours with me. It's breakfast time. I love breakfast time. I have to rest before we train. I wonder if I'll chase a bad guy, or if we'll go running. We start our day on the obedience course. It gives me a chance to stretch before shift. We go over stairs, review hurdles, and run the tunnel. Love that blue ball. I'm here to keep the base safe. I find things that people can't find. Whatever gives me more time doing my job with my handler. At the end of the day, I've kept people safe, and he's kept me safe. We can count on each other. He's my best friend.
Yes!
My name is Kichi, and I am a military working dog.